Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joshua and today we are checking out a studio tune, a 4K, a beat original, all up in your face. For ATEEZ, Fireworks Are the One. I just finished watching the NV to that and holy crap. The production, the quality of the video, the quality of the talents that they have, if that even makes sense. Holy shit. Okay, now they're about to F me up with a studio tune. I just want to hear the song again because I am living for this title track. Okay, the beat, everything was just right up my alley. The switch ups were right up my alley. The choreography was something insane as always. They are so hard hitting when it comes to choreography and I stand that shit so much. I'm ready to be attacked. That's me. They're calling the ambulance now because I need some oxygen. I can't breathe. Ready, steady, go. Oh god, I'm not ready for this. This is really close and intense. Come on, we live for the bowl cut over here in this house. Ew! Wow, the face! Come on, son. Oh, the facial expressions. I don't know what it is, but this era, he is just like, piercing through a motherfucker, okay? The black hair is also something spectacular. Woo, those eyes. Nah, Basan, I am not over the song. I literally just heard it, but the way he came onto this beat though, the way he came onto... They're doing that little... They didn't have to rub their hands. Ew! Oh, they're all looking at me. His voice sounds beautiful here. This red hair. You better rap for Miggy. He would have ate this up. Oh my god. Leader, stop. Yes, the choreography. The hits. Yes. Stop this hair. Oh my lord. Ooh. You better. Put some clothes on. Ooh, that was clean. The hand movements. Yes. Come on, I see some old choreo in there. The subtle R&B feels that I'm getting with this right here. The vocals too. I can't with you right now. These contacts! Hongjoong. Ah! Let's go, dancers! Intense. Yes. Y'all better dance like Red is due. This Maknae right here. Yes. Y'all better be intense. You better sing. I will smack you I will smack you, leader. Stop playing. What is these faces that they are pulling? What is that? Y'all, they are staring right into my soul. Like, they're not even blinking. Yes. Yes. A subtle heel toe, I felt. Yes. Woo! Woo! He looked good. Studio Tune, thank you very much for destroying me. I highly appreciate it. You guys, the choreography. They was out here serving a whole lot, and I don't think I was ready. I don't think I was ready. This song gives me the best feels ever. They wrote this beat like they really had to pay rent or something. Like something was like, let's just do that, and that's what they did. That's my words are not making sense today. But it's okay. You understand where I'm trying to come. Like, you know where I'm coming from, right? You know what I mean, and that's all that matters. You guys love and support ATEEZ because they always drop some good stuff. Like, yes. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, I will catch you then. Bye.